What if the next betrayal came from the person you trusted the most? After her uncle's arrest, the house felt silent, too silent. Then her brother called, Didi, I am coming home. Relief filled her mother's eyes. Family was returning. Safety, support, but Arya had survived too much to trust timing, because in the city of silent canals, even comfort could be a strategy, and Arya was about to face a familiar danger. Different face, same betrayal. He arrived with concern, warmth, perfect affection. But by evening, the real conversation began. This house is too big now. Sell it. Come with me. Same pressure, same manipulation, different voice. Arya felt the chill immediately, because greed often sounds like care. And this time, it was her own brother. One sentence destroyed the illusion. That night, Arya listened. Late calls, whispers, secrets. Then, after transfer, nothing will remain in her name. Her name, not family, not protection, control. Arya froze, not from heartbreak, from realization. She had not escaped betrayal. It was simply changed faces, and blood was proving more dangerous than water. Arya stopped trusting words and started following actions. The next day, Arya followed him quietly. A broker, documents, money. Then, the girl is unstable anyway. The girl, not sister, not Arya, just an obstacle. And in that moment, something inside Arya changed. Not emotionally, strategically. This was no longer family. This was a case. What if the smartest move was pretending to surrender? Arya did the unexpected. She agreed. Bhaiya, I will come. He smiled, victorious. But Arya wasn't surrendering. She was waiting, because while he prepared papers, Arya prepared evidence, recordings, land records, legal verification, and one crucial truth. The property was still safe for now, and Arya was about to turn the trap against him. Same table, same papers, different creditor. Signing day arrived. Her mother hesitated. Her brother smiled. Just sign here. Then Arya spoke, calm, precise. Why does this transfer authority to you before payment? Silence. His smile disappeared. And why must Ma vacate in 7 days? Her mother looked up, fear rising. Arya's voice cut deeper. You are not relocating us. You are removing us. And for the first time, his mask fell. One recording, one truth, one collapse. Arya placed her phone down, pressed play. His voice clear, cold. Once the house is sold, nothing will remain in her name. Her mother gasped. His expression cracked, and Arya, no longer sister, now lawyer. Fraud, coercion, criminal breach of trust. Every word a verdict. He came for control, but Arya built a courtroom. The deepest betrayals don't come from strangers. He did not fight, did not defend himself, did not apologize. He simply left, and somehow that hurt more. That night, Arya sat beside her mother. No lies, no illusions, only truth. And outside, the canals shimmered again, silent, watching, because Arya now understood the most dangerous waters are not the ones you cross. They are the ones you are born into.